It's raining in the Sacramento mountains. We need this for fire danger for sure. Look at this. I miss Buddy. Look how much that filled up. Oh, let's find out what the temperature is. Woo! The temperature is... There's the temperature with the humidity. Because the humidity is high while it's raining, I mean, I don't even feel cool out here. I feel cool, but not cold, not cold. If you're hot and miserable, come up to Cloudcroft. This is my hillbilly water. I just love going rural. Hillbilly water collection. And on the other side I have big old cattle troughs. Very easy to live off rainwater. I don't drink it. I drink bottled water. You can refill your water down in Alamogordo at any of those. They've got a ton of water refill places. For you old timers, you're old coots like me, you probably remember when Cloudcroft in the summer never got above 64, 65. I mean, it was just like rain every afternoon. We were wearing sweatshirts and had fires going and sweaters. And the highs were like 68, 69, 70 degrees, while down in El Paso it was 110. Yay, rain. We're glad to see it. Happy to have it. Bye-bye from 9,000 feet up outside of the tiny little vacation village called Cloudcroft on the Sacramento Mountains in New Mexico. Bye-bye.